So now we're going to focus on the cross, hook, cross. Now remember, learn each individual technique first. Go back if you need to. Always work on your cross, always work on your lead hook, all right? Okay, maybe I'm throwing a lot of jabs. All right, jab. Now I'm going to break the rhythm. I'm going to throw a cross first. Always switch it up, different levels, different sides. Keep your opponent guessing, never be predictable. So I'm throwing my cross, shoulder protecting the right side of my face, hand protecting the left side. Good stance, not leaning forward, nice and centered. My body has to work together. When I'm here on the cross, as it's coming back, lead hook. This is dropping, cross, back, out. Never throw a combination or a single strike, it doesn't matter, and then just stay there after. Always move. Always move laterally, always move. The cross, keeping him on the end of my punch. Now this is why this is effective. Now I'm coming around his guard. Here, I know Bob doesn't have a guard, just saying. This, I don't go through, I don't compromise my stance. Everything is cross, hook, back. As that's back, cross, back to my stance, move away. Again, slow. Cross, hook, it's back, it's coming back. As it's coming back and my shoulder's rolling over, cross, big power, and back. The chances of you hitting with that third strike are probably the most probable because you're setting your opponent up, you're getting him to move around. Remember, attacking from different sides. One more time, slow. Cross, always good technique. As this is coming back, hook, always stay protected. As this is rolling, cross, back to my stance. It's good to learn the 1s, the 2s, and the 3s. These are your basic punch combinations. Jab, jab, cross, hook. Start to learn the cross, hook, cross, and then again, we've been working on techniques from the same side. Jabs, hooks. Learning all these combinations will make it very hard for your opponent to know what you're doing next.